Welcome everyone, this is Zanta. Today's video is on what's new in AutoCAD 2024 and specifically some of the updates to the Markup Assist command. Markup Assist was introduced in 22 and 23. When you're working with your AutoCAD software, in the Collaborate tab of the ribbon, there is a Traces panel. You can use the Markup Import command to import in PDF or JPEG files that have markups on them. It will automatically help you place them, and you may need to adjust them to fit exactly where you want. When you bring in the markup, it actually comes in as a trace. That's why it's under the Trace panel. If I click Traces Palette, my Traces palette will open up and I can see all the different traces that I've done in the past. I'm going to click this one here, and you'll see that my trace is a image file with some markups of this area right here. You will get a dark bluish border to let you know that you're in that particular trace. This icon right here allows you to turn the trace function on, and then once the trace function is on, you can see that it's actively trying to look at the data. There is a command right here that allows you to fade the markup if you need to. This command here allows you to have that AI Markup Assist functionality on. It is on, that's why the lightning bolt symbol is yellow. If I click it, it will go not yellow, grayish color, and you won't see that it's trying to figure things out. Now that you can see that the lightning bulb is on, you can see all these blue dash boxes. And it's to tell you that it's trying to figure things out. For example, if you hover over very carefully your markup and you click it, it will automatically figure out what that piece of text is and try to associate it to a command. So for example, remove acts as a delete. And so it goes into the delete command or the erase command, and it will allow you to get rid of geometry that you don't need as per the markup. You can also put your mouse over the dash box, click it, and you'll see you have a Markup Assist dialog box that opens up. In this dialog box, you will see you have the choice to insert as mLeader, insert as mText, or update existing text. If I were to choose insert as mLeader, it will ask for the leader arrowhead point. So I'm going to click over here, come down here, click, and then I can start seeing the data. If you look at other areas that are dashed in blue, clicking it again brings up the ability to either replace the existing text or erase the existing text. If I click erase existing text, it will try to figure out what it's erasing, and then you can select the drawing text to erase. In other words, you can just select that piece of text and it will erase it. In this case, it's a little confused because it thinks my red line X is a letter X, and it's trying to replace it with the actual font and X. So depending on the kind of markups that you're working with and what it can or cannot recognize, you may have the ability to see what it does. So in this case, clicking the larger rectangular dash markup box, it thinks I want to put in a revision cloud because of the red markup. So I'm going to click insert as a revision cloud, and there you go. See? So those are the updates to the Markup Assist functionality in AutoCAD 2024. Thank you very much for watching.